Okay, everybody, we got our soldering iron heating up. So anytime you buy any of these electronics, you're always given a wire out sheet or how you got to wire things up. So I already know we've got to do the motors and the battery lead. So let's go ahead and get that all tinned up. We got I switched to a different tip than what I've been using. So, and we're hot. So we gotta get this all tinned up. So and I'm not the world's greatest soldering person, you guys. So I'm gonna get this all soldered up and we'll come back, everybody. Okay, we got everything cut. Now we gotta take this off. Find the right size here. Just used one of my T-wrenches. Because they're a nylock. Sometimes I can get it with my fingers, sometimes I can't. So once I break the nylock part loose, it's cooperating. Let's see if this one will cooperate with us without using the wrench here. Nope. So back to the wrench. This is just an electric screwdriver that I bought. I have arthritis in my hands, so I was getting to the point where I didn't want to work on anything because my hands hurt. So okay, we didn't get these wires cut right. That's okay. We'll be cleaning those ends up anyways. The new board came with blue gummies. I don't want blue. We'll use these nylon gummy pads. That one's drawn, but I got more, so it's okay. See if I can show you guys. So that chip right there by my thumb is the one that popped. And you can see a corner missing off of it. You can't see the wires in this video, but I can. And we're back, everybody. We got all of our pads soldered. We still have to do for the VTX right here, which we'll do. But what we're going to work on right now is getting our battery leads on. I was having problems with the tip, so I've since switched out to a newer tip that's working better. So just get soldering iron plugged in because I forgot to get it back plugged in, and it's been a few days since I last was recording any content on this, you guys, so things might be a little different. So we've got our leads ready to go. We'll add a little bit more solder here once this heats up. So let's see here. After this section, I probably won't record anymore, except for me plugging it in to make sure it's working right. Just this style of filming is very tedious and hard to get it done right with the technology I have. So please don't take it personal. It's just I don't have the best equipment for showing what I'm doing. So okay, I just want to make sure I have good solder here, you guys, for this. Okay, where are my needle nose at? There they are. Especially with these wires, they get really freaking hot. So you want to have something so it goes positive then negative. Once we have those on, we'll have to do our capacitor. Hang on a second. Make sure it's all the way up here. And yes, I have scars from accidentally touching the iron, so it can be very hot, you guys. I'll get these soldered off camera. And we're back, everybody. I just went ahead and did all the soldering off camera. I gotta tape the wires up. I've already programmed this flight controller. We just gotta put her all back together. Frame-wise now. Electronics are good. So here you go, you guys. Here's soon. We'll get some more flight video with this. I'm liking this flight controller. It's despite not being the OEM, it seems to be made better than the OEM. So this is Eric with Shall Ops RC out.